Hello and welcome to this IMS Consulting webinar, where we'll explore what's new in Archibus version 25.4. Happy to have you today. If you have any questions about Archibus version 25.4 or any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We can be reached via phone at 800-764-6685 or directly on our website through the contact page or our website live chat. My name is CJ Singer, and I'm a technology consultant here at IMS Consulting, where we've been implementing Archibus for more than a decade. Archibus version 25.4 is the next release in Archibus's targeted quarterly cadence. Archibus understands that bringing your employees back to the office safely is a priority, and that is why they continue to add features that will help you do so. In Archibus version 25.4, they have added new abilities to assist facility managers in bringing employees back to work, as well as some other useful features. Let's start by taking a look at the new back-to-work features tied to the hoteling process. As a facility manager, I want to limit bookings on any floor to the reduced capacity targets that I've set, so that I keep employees safe while they return to work. I can set occupancy targets using the Space Console to limit bookings on any floor to my reduced capacity targets. Once the capacity target has been reached, hotel rooms are no longer available. Obviously, with limited space, I may want to limit users from booking more than once for the same time period, so that I can prevent employees from double booking the few seats that we have available. I can set application parameters for allow multiple bookings to no to prevent employees and visitors from booking multiple desks for the same date and time slot. Users will then receive a warning if they try to book a second desk for the same date or time. I may also want to be able to configure and send professional-looking emails regarding return to work, so the messages reflect our specific instructions and are easy to understand. You can configure notifications via the Edit Messages view using common resources. You can then send emails from the Mark Employees for Return to Work task. Now let's take a look at some additional features in version 25.4. As an asset manager, I need to track certain attributes of both equipment and equipment standards that are not in the standard tables, so that I can inventory and report on things that we care about. In version 25.3, Archibus added the ability for business owners to add and promote fields from the building floors, rooms, and employee tables. Now in version 25.4, Archibus has expanded this ability to enable business owners to create user-defined fields for assets and asset standards. When the Archibus set of stock fields does not track the data you require, you can define your own fields using the Configure Fields feature of the Manage Equipment and Standards view. Specify the key properties of the new field, and the field will be immediately available for these views. In this example, we use insurance costs for an asset. In version 25.3, Archibus extended the existing extended questionnaire functionality to maintenance checklists. Field personnel working through procedures or inspections can access checklists from the Maintenance mobile app and use the checklist as reference of all required steps. Now in version 25.4, Archibus has added this functionality to the Maintenance console. As a maintenance supervisor, I'd like to have access to the checklist that my field workers filled out so that I can review and modify as needed. Call up the checklist on the Maintenance console. Fill, review, or modify your answers. Lastly, Archibus has made user interface improvements to the Move console. Move coordinators need an easy-to-use interface to manage all the Move projects on a site. They need to easily find and manage their moves. To meet these needs, Archibus has redesigned the Move console to include an easier top-level search with some additional options. The Move console filter has been redesigned to optimize space and present a second set of filter options in a separate pane. For example, the user searched for move orders in Building XC and then used the secondary filter to search by requester. The search found 3 moves as listed in the Move console. There's also a redesigned details page showing only applicable information. For group moves, the Move console now displays tabs only for the types of move orders assigned to the group move. To add a new type of move to the group move, you use the Add Move Type button. Also, Move Project Details are now displayed in the right pane when you choose the Edit Project Details button. That concludes the new additions to Archibus version 25.4. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we hope you'll join us again on a future webinar. If you have any questions about version 25.4 or any other questions for that matter, please reach out to us. You can find us online at ims.consulting and on LinkedIn. Feel free to call us or email us anytime. Here's our contact information. Have a wonderful rest of your day.